recent incidents that have been taking place in the state of Manipur have been very disturbing, and at this point in time I would urge to all the citizens of Manipur state, all our brothers and sisters there, that we should maintain peace and harmony out there, and we should not go into any violent activities. I would like to appeal for peace, and I would like to urge that whatever the complications may be there, we should try and resolve those matters in an amicable manner. I also would like to appeal that we should not do anything to hurt any religious sentiments. There have been different attacks on different religious institutions and different religious places. These are not very healthy for our society, and this will only complicate matters more, and hence I urge that we should refrain from any such activity, and would like to appeal once again to all our friends and all our brothers and sisters in Manipur that we should try and ensure that peace prevails and all the different situations and complications are resolved.